हाय, मेरा नाम है उमर कुरैशी और आज मैं बैठा हूँ इंडस्ट्री के बेस्ट किसर and one of the most romantic heroes that we have with the best songs, Imran Hashmi, talking about his new movie Raja Natwarlal. And guess who's his guest today? It is the beautiful Pakistani actress Humayma Malik. Welcome, guys.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Welcome across the border.
Thank you.
The dirty directors I work with, and now even heroines have started insisting on it.
She insisted,
Yeah,
right?
I've just done with everyone now.
I'm sorry, I sympathize with him. I mean, how can you do that? It's like reverse harassment. Yeah, I
What
sympathize
drama
with
going
him.
on? I'm
No,
going. Looking at me, do you think I can kiss Imran Hashmi? He likes pulling everyone's legs. Like if I'll fall, he'll laugh at me.
For God's sake,
If
I'll lose some
bleed,
fans if you say
if I
that.
bleed, I'll be like, oh,
Snip
oh
it
my
off.
God. Yeah, so he's
I like you in pain.
you.
Okay.
He likes you in pain.
Pain means physical pain, physical pain, physical pain.
Yeah, exactly.
That's you, boss. Jesus, man.
Okay, sorry. Okay, shoop.
How does it feel this side of town?
Same, actually, same. It's home and lovely people, lovely country, and same, yeah.
So what are you
Not
doing
much
to
a difference.
promote cross-border tourism?
What? Sorry, come again?
What are you doing? Come again. Okay.
No,
What
sorry,
are you doing
pardon.
to promote?
Okay, all right.
This interview is getting vulgar now.
Okay, yeah. So what am I promoting? Okay, guys, yeah.
Okay.
You were
So
asking
what are you
something.
doing to promote cross-border tourism?
Okay, about there. I think a lot of things. Pakistan is beautiful and it has clean sea, beautiful sea. Karachi is mini Bombay, but much more cleaner, nicer. And Lahore is like Delhi, so it's exactly the same, but beautiful mountains and Balochistan is beautiful, where I belong from. And yeah.
Do they have men like Imran?
You don't have men like Imran anywhere in the world.
Oh my God.
Forget about Pakistan.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's what I was wondering, I mean, yeah. So you
One
came
in a
across the
billion.
border for Imran, right?
Yes,
She
I
did, yes.
Yeah.
Imran, what did you do to make her feel comfortable?
I made her extremely uncomfortable throughout the film,
Right.
and not comfortable at all. We have regretted this decision to this date, and we are still regretting it, doing a film with Imran Hashmi.
Yeah.
Things couldn't be worse. It started off with being a bit skeptical. That after the shooting started, it changed into she was intimidated, terrorized, and now she wants to go back.
Yeah.
We've taken her passport, we have taken all her papers, and we're not letting her go back till we release the film, 29th of August. And
You only have my
we
passport?
probably
Yeah,
will.
but she can cross.
Just for fun, we might just keep her for a couple of more years here.
No, but she can cross the border and come again.
We've not. It's house arrest.
Yeah.
Who's
How's
else?
the rest?
I can't tell you that.
Okay.
Yeah, Imran, tell me a little about the movie.
Well, the film is, if you've read a story in school about David versus Goliath, it's a story about a small-time scamster who does small charso BCs on the street, and he's got his lady love in his life. He wants to do everything for her, and there's a particular incident in his life that changes his personality and everything that he lives for, and that is the death of a friend, and then the motive of his life becomes the man who killed his friend is a villain who is 1,000 times stronger than him, financially, has got all the power in the world. This man roams on an auto rickshaw, doesn't have 2 rupees in his pocket. And how he goes to learn the big scam, the big Charso BC, to bring this man down. Because he doesn't want to shoot him, that would be very easy. He wants to strip him of everything that's dear to him. And he does that by learning the big scam. Right. And he does that by going to the character of Yogi, played by Paresh Ji. There's a man who's sitting in Dharamshala in the hills, who is an ex-scam artist, who is a reclusive, who's living a reclusive life right now in Dharamshala. So he goes to him and tells him that, listen, you've done it, and I've heard that you've done it in your time. Teach me how it's done. Tell me how I can strip this man of everything that's dear to him. And then the story starts, and it takes another phase where you figure out how Raja changes.
Were you intimidated by the fact that Imran has a formidable reputation with women?
On screen.
Yeah. Okay. He has a formidable
All right,
reputation
if
with
I
women.
say so.
Yeah. Full stop.
Yeah, I was.
Were you aware of his performance skills?
Everyone is.
Of course.
She saw
everyone
murdered
is,
many
yeah.
times.
Oh, really? This was the only film that I didn't watch.
Yeah.
And he's been telling this to the media that I've watched Murder, but I've
20
not
times.
watched
Something
Murder.
people are ashamed of. They
Why
see
would
it
I be
behind
ashamed?
closed doors, but they don't talk about it.
Yeah. She's a closet murder watcher.
She's a closet murder watcher.
Yeah.
Okay,
Okay.
but then, but the next.
On my laptop, I used to watch it under the blanket. So you
Laptop.
just, imagine what all I
And
used to do
we
with
used
it.
to like practice the puckering up.
You should watch it on the big screen, it's better.
Okay.
more
Alright.
impactful.
I couldn't handle you then.
Yeah.
So, I mean, what was your thought about his reputation?
What do you mean? What do you want me to say about his reputation?
No, like it's intimidating.
Of course, yes. Serial kisser, a very sexual sort of a hero, comes with all beautiful, sexiest looking women. So I was shocked. I was very much shocked when I got offered for this film. I was like, why are they offering me? What do they want from me? Like what, right? But when I met him and when I get to know him,
Look at the evil grin on his face.
yeah, he likes it. He likes it.
Yeah.
He likes this.
What did he want from her?
Being, yeah.
She found out later on when we
Okay.
started shooting for the film.
I can see everything
for us
from
to find
inside.
out.
And-
That's for you to find out. What we've taken up on film. Can I clarify things?
yeah, please
Yeah.
do.
She was petrified. She regretted doing this decision, making this decision, and she came and we had to my place and we did readings with the director, with the entire crew,
Right.
and the cast. And I thought that probably I will, act a bit different because she's expecting me to be this guy who does stuff like he does on screen.
So being different, he did not even look at
So
me.
I didn't even look at her
Yeah.
the first time. So then she realized that this guy is not that bad. He doesn't stare a woman down. He doesn't
Yeah.
jump and kiss her and stuff. So then she was okay with that, and then we broke the ice through the film. There weren't any
How?
kisses in the beginning of the film,
Yeah, how do you break
but
the
then
ice?
We kissed.
I don't know. We kissed on screen,
Okay,
and it's that simple.
that's simple.
Yeah.
You should try it sometimes. It works wonders. You're not breaking the ice with a girl. Just grab her and kiss her.
Yeah, I think it works also.
But he
It's
didn't
just
grab
works
me.
wonders.
He didn't grab
Sometimes
me.
you get smacked in the face,
I-
but she was bound by contract, so she couldn't slap me.
No, it works.
It works.
No, but he didn't grab me. I grabbed
People at
him.
home, you should try this.
At home.
Do
Wow.
try this at home.
Don't.
Outside.
What is he
In
teaching?
colleges.
What is he teaching?
It's a terrible role
The
model.
art of seduction.
It is.
The art of seduction.
Should I write a book? Art of Seduction.
That is a
Good
yeah,
one.
yeah.
Good
Good
Go
one.
for
I
it.
will go for
Yeah,
it.
you must. Yeah.
By Imran Hashmi.
Yes.
Oh my God.
Remember your movie in Pakistan was a big hit, Bol,
Yeah.
right? And it was talked about a lot. And
Yeah.
now are you ready for the Indian audiences? Like, how are they going to receive you?
So I'm ready. I'm waiting, and of course I am. I'm very excited. I want to see that how people react to it. Because Bol was critically acclaimed and I won so many awards and all of that, but it was a different cinema, right? So I want to see how people take me with Imran Hashmi and and dancing on these all Indian numbers and all of that stuff. So yes, of course, I am very much excited.
I think most of the actors here, they don't do that because they want to do a film where, yes, it only rides on their shoulders and they have a character that's just exclusive to the protagonist is played by them. If it's a good story and if it's a female-oriented film, I'm willing to do it. I did it in Dirty Picture.
Imran, more than 40 heroines, right?
No,
He has kissed?
30, a couple of them are repeats.
Yeah.
I don't know why they repeated their films with me, but
Yeah.
then I regretted it later on.
1,000 hours of kiss.
3,000.
Huh?
3,000.
3,000 hours of experience.
3,000 kisses.
3,000 kisses.
Ours, yeah. I don't know how you kind of get
So
that
what
into time.
are you aiming for? I mean, you insist in your contract.
There's no goal in sight. There's no goal in
No, it
sight.
looks like you're going for a
What are
century.
you
yeah?
aiming for?
It's more than a century. It's 3,000 runs, man.
Yeah.
It's some careers for some cricketers, and it's a fantastic run rate.
Yeah.
Still going strong. We've kept pace in this film also.
Yeah.
I've
How
not
many
kept
kisses
count
it
in this
was?
film.
Yeah.
How many?
Kisses it was?
You answer that.
No. How many kisses?
Kisses that made their way to the film, or kisses
No,
we
that you have
shot?
done till today.
We
Till
shot a
today.
lot. A
Yeah.
couple of them made to the
He's
film.
saying 3,000.
3,000. And how many retakes?
Retakes are 10 on an average per thing, per scene, and take that as 10 in one film. So,
Wow.
Are
and
you a
30
chauvinist?
Huh?
You insist that I have to
No,
kiss
I
my
actually insist I don't want it. I insist I don't want
So
it.
the heroine insists
but
that she wants
these are the dirty directors I work with
Yeah.
that insist that it should be there.
Yeah.
And now even heroines have started insisting on it.
Yeah.
I,
She insisted,
Yeah,
right?
I've just done with everyone now.
No,
And
I
that's
didn't
it.
insist.
I'm
I heard-
putting my foot down
I
in
heard
the
that she
next one.
insisted. Is that true?
She did.
Yeah.
I was this one time where we were shooting the scene in the elevator and it was supposed to be there, and I said, I can't do it. This is it.
Imran, how can you
This is
say
it.
this?
Yeah.
She, director, the producer, everyone dragged me out of the van, pulled me into that lift,
Yeah.
and made me do it. I felt used and abused.
Do you actually, you
You're
believe
looking
in
like
it?
shattered completely. Yeah, I
What
I
a big
sympathize
drama
with
going
him.
on. I'm
No,
going.
I'm sorry, I sympathize with him. I mean, how can you do that? It's like reverse harassment.
Looking at me, do you think I can kiss Imran Hashmi?
Shakal mein mat jana kabhi. People might
that
think
true?
I'd do it, but I'm the innocent
No, but
one.
I read that somewhere that it seems that you insisted.
No. The first kiss I did, the second kiss we did, and the last kiss he did.
Okay, so
Yeah.
I did, we did,
Go
he
figure.
did.
I
You don't
did,
watch the
we,
film for that.
Yeah.
I did, we did, and then he did.
You know,
Yeah.
the first scene was this whole interview is going to about kissing. He was going to
It's
talk
good,
about the
no,
film.
you like
Awesome,
it.
man. It's all.
The first scene, I was supposed to kiss
Yeah.
her, and then she was very nervous, and she obviously had
Yeah.
cold feet and cold lips, and then she said,
Okay.
no.
Yeah, she was numb.
Then she said that I can't do
I'm
it,
gonna rip her off now. You'll see, yeah.
and to kind of calm her down. I said that, listen, why didn't you kiss me? And it's a very good
I never
moment.
had cold lips, by the way.
No.
And you never touched my feet.
I know.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But then she
No,
did
but,
it, and it's a very beautiful kiss on screen.
That's not a compliment to a beautiful lady when you say
Of
she got
course,
cold
yes.
lips.
I don't know. It didn't mean
Should,
it that
should I
sense.
tell details about you?
No, don't do that.
Yeah.
Don't. Zip.
That's very bad.
No,
That's
come
very
next
bad.
question.
Like sitting in your show only, you've been praising women out and loud about them kissing him and him kissing them, right?
Yeah.
But why is he so weird with me? Why? Just because?
No, I think you can ask a few questions to Malika Sherawat also.
Really?
I don't
Oh my
think that
God!
would
So you're
go
putting
down.
me into that league? No.
I don't think it's a good idea.
Oh God.
think it's a good
Okay.
idea.
Okay.
So talking about cricket and scores, you have been linked with Wasim Akram.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh. Okay.
Is that true?
No, it's not true. Of course, it's not true. He's always been a friend, and he's a married guy with kids. And I think that it's very disrespecting
Okay.
for a person who has his own life.
So you read all this this
Of
talk,
course,
right? Yeah.
and now the most weird part about this is this that people, because my film is coming up, Raja Natwarlal, people like journalists has started asking this question over and over again and again, and I'm not liking it, and it's really disturbing. It's not even disturbing. It means nothing to me. It shouldn't be. It's something not real. Never happened.
Yeah, not
No,
true.
not true.
Imran, does failure affect you? And how badly?
Not really in that sense. Yeah, it does affect you. It does make you feel when you work towards something.
Humaima.
Yeah.
Oh, you pronounce it Umaima, right?
No. The name is Umaima. We spell it with O, but it is Humaima. Yeah,
Okay,
it's
Humaima.
Humaima. I
You
changed
watch-
the spelling into Humaima because
You-
that's the spelling and the pronunciation is more lucky for me.
You watch Bollywood movies?
Yeah, I do.
Which are your favorite ones?
Recently,
Yeah.
I don't know. Recently, I don't know. Okay, that's a very difficult question. I'll take some time to to remember. But I like all of them,
I've not
whichever
had any
ones are
releases
nice.
recently, so probably she has difficulty talking
That's why
about that.
she's watching Murder
Yeah.
like so many
Yeah.
times,
No, I said that I've not had a release recently, so that's why probably.
So
it's
you
that
guys
difficult.
do have an old relationship between?
Not that kind of relationship.
Not that
No?
kind,
No,
but
no.
yeah.
It's not.
Yeah.
It's always on the couch.
That male bonding thing.
Always on
yeah,
the
we
couch.
discuss stuff.
So you guys are into male bonding things?
Yeah, we discuss stuff.
Depends what you're talking about.
Yeah, about
That's nice. I'm not even talking to you. I'm
yeah,
talking to him.
we discuss stuff about
Talking to
others.
that person, they're
Yeah.
talking to you.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, especially about girls,
Going
right?
off, man. The interview is somewhere.
He's gone crazy. Yeah. Now, who's your favorite actor?
Okay, I like Amitabh Bachchan a lot, actually. I like Irfan Khan. I like Amir Khan.
You have very hot lips.
Yeah, I like Imran. No. Okay, I like Imran.
Sizzling hot lips.
No.
I got burnt and scorched.
Shoots,
I
man.
have a scar here.
No, ये जानबूझ के है, ज़बरदस्ती की तारीफ है ये.
Yeah. No, but what do you think of Imran?
I think Imran is a very lovely guy, and he had made my debut very memorable, thanks to him.
Yeah.
I think that he has raised the bar so high that I'll be confused, and I'll miss him in my next film if I do hear any other one.
Yeah.
He's a very genuine guy, very sweet, witty, naughty,
Sweet.
Very sweet.
That's
huh?
That's how I can juxtapose sweet and naughty. Decide what it is.
Like he likes to tease you, then he'll laugh at you. He likes you in pain. He likes pulling everyone's legs.
Okay.
Yeah,
That's
he's
twisted, man.
That's
he's
really
one of
twisted,
those.
yeah.
Like if I'll fall, he'll laugh at me.
For God's sake,
If
I'll lose some fans if you say
if
that.
I'll be like, oh,
Snip
oh
it
my
off.
God. Yeah. So he's
I like you in pain.
you.
Okay.
He likes you in pain.
Pain means physical pain.
Yeah, exactly.
That's your boss. Jesus, man.
Okay, sorry. Okay, Shubh. Okay,
What
ask
she
him.
means to say is I'm a sadist sometimes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But that's just a fun thing.
Yeah, that's
It's,
just a fun
for
thing.
you.
Yeah. Funnily.
Yeah, there's this joke that someone cracked because someone fell down on the set and I removed my camera and I was taking a snap.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
it was just like a fun thing.
I think that's
It
very
was a funny fall.
I think it's very
It was a funny fall. I should do it
Every
again. I would
fall for
record
him
in
is a funny
slow
fall.
motion.
I think it's
Every
very
fall.
good.
Even
Enough,
when women
stop.
fall, he laughs.
Imran, you've never shied away from doing heroine-oriented subjects, and this is
Yeah.
yet another one. Or this is more about you and the con game.
The protagonist is Raja, but she has a very important character in the film. She comes in as an element in the film which is almost a trigger point for this character to do what he does, and that's the central thrust. And as far as the female-oriented film goes, I don't shy away from it because I think most of the actors here, they don't do that because they want to do a film where yes, it only rides on their shoulders and they have a character that's just exclusive to the protagonist is played by them. If it's a good story and if it's a female-oriented film, I'm willing to do it. I did it in Dirty Picture, which was
That's true.
which people felt that why did I do it? But
Yeah.
then you see the film and then you realize that that's the reason why I did it. It's a great film. It's a very good film. If I had not done it, then I would have felt a sense of
You
loss.
like the title?
I love the title. And if I wasn't there, it wouldn't be called The Dirty Picture.
Yeah, true. Yeah. Imran, I'm going
It'd be
to
a very
do-
clean picture
It's
if
a
I
clean
wasn't
picture, yeah. Which Bollywood actor wouldn't you mind getting linked with?
God.
there. Pressure.
Okay. Oh God. Let's keep Imran. Yeah, because
Let's keep him.
because I
बैठा है यहाँ पे तो बैठा है यहाँ पे तो दे देते हैं इसको.
I'm going to ask you a quick fire round of questions. I'm going to begin with you, Imran. You prefer kissing or more intimate scenes?
Kissing.
Rate yourself as an actor.
7.5.
One part of your job you hate.
Kissing.
The best female kisser.
Maima Malik. With hot lips, served hot,
know,
scorching hot. Has burnt me.
you're overdoing it. You
No,
know this.
okay, fine,
Yeah.
all right.
You know what we should do? Take out all your interviews, ask him who is the best
You will
kisser
get
and
a
just
lovely
will-
show, Reem.
Get a-
You will. Fantastic.
Your best film?
Raja Natpradal.
What's the taporigiri you've done in real life?
I've danced like a tapori on the street once. In college.
Which college?
Sydenham.
Oh, good.
Yeah.
Town boy.
Yeah.
Okay.
Not town boy. Went to college in town. Bandra boy.
Humayma, your turn.
Yeah.
Your favorite Imran film?
Once upon a time in Mumbai.
Which Bollywood actor wouldn't you mind getting linked with?
Bollywood actor. Oh God.
It's a rapid fire. You lost
Oh
points.
God.
Pressure.
Okay. Oh God. Let's keep Imran. Yeah, because
Let's keep him.
because I
बैठा है यहाँ पे तो बैठा है यहाँ पे तो दे देते हैं इसको.
Any role done by any other actress in recent times which you think you could have done better?
Oh no, I can't. I don't see things like this. No, I can't. I can't answer this.
Rate yourself as an actor.
5. I'm very critical about myself. I don't think myself is the best.
One part of your job you hate.
But I have to. I can't be myself sometimes. Yeah, I have to pretend a lot.
Role playing.
Yeah.
A best Bollywood film.
Best Bollywood film. हम आपके हैं कौन?
Best taporigiri you've done in your life.
I haven't done any taporigiri.
You're too polished for that.
Yeah, I haven't done. I didn't got a chance to do taporigiri.
Thank you, Imran. Thank you.
Thank you so much, man.
Thank you
Yeah,
so
looking forward to the movie.
Thank
yeah,
you.
wish you all the best.
Thank you.
Thanks.
Thank you.